Now we found some monkeys here in the park. Centenary Park. There's one sitting up there. It's great. Very tropical. Very good. Animals obviously all over the place. I guess in the morning again there's more than now. Where? Oh, there's more up there. Look at that. Look at them. Oh my gosh. It's a tree of monkeys. Look at that. Okay, this little guy's coming down, or girl. Look at that tail. Oh, they'll take food. All right. There's more up there. Look at that. They're all over the place. Right in the middle of the city. I like that railing over there. Oh, wow, look at this whole crowd over here. They're all off in some place.
¿Cómo? Hiciste slow, perezoso amigo, ya lo vio. Perezoso. La madre, el hijo. Slow.
There's a tree up there. Monkeys in the cityscape. Cool. Couple of laggards there. Beautiful park. Anyway, we've had the monkeys and the sloths. This is a pretty good success right here in Centenary Park in downtown Cartegena. March 7th, 2024. It's a great visit. We will be back. Take care.